Dear students, today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is Introduction to Line Graphs. Number plane. A number plane has two axes. The two axes are this one, the x-axis and the y-axis. The horizontal axis is called the x-axis. Horizontal means this line is called the x-axis and the vertical axis is called the y-axis. The x coordinate is always written before the y coordinate and is separated by a comma. For example, 3, 5. Here 3, the first number is the x coordinate and 5 is the y coordinate, and both the x and y coordinate is separated by a comma. The x coordinate is known as epsilon and the y coordinate is known as ordinate. Types of line graph. The first one, Cartesian plane. What is Cartesian plane? Also known as XY plane or Cartesian coordinate system. So we will learn more about it. X-axis, the horizontal number line from left to right. Here on the x-axis, the right hand side there are positive numbers and towards the left there are negative numbers. Y-axis, the vertical line from up to down. From above the zero we will see all positive numbers and below the zero we will see all negative numbers. Origin, where x-axis and y-axis intersect, is known as origin. Now, the Cartesian coordinate system is divided into four coordinates. This one, the first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate and fourth coordinate. Here, the x and y are both positive, so it is called plus comma plus. In the second coordinate, x is negative and y is positive. So, here the sign is minus comma plus. In the third coordinate, x is also negative, y is also negative. So, minus comma minus. And in the fourth coordinate, x is positive, but y is negative. So, plus comma minus. How to plot points? This is very important. Start at the origin, move to x coordinate, move to y coordinate and then plot the point. These are the basic steps to plot the point. First step, that is start at the origin. Second step is move to x coordinate. Third step is move to y coordinate and then fourth is to plot the point. So for example, a 2 comma minus 4. This is the ordered pair. The a is the name of the point. 2 here it is the x coordinate and minus 4 is the y coordinate. So let's check how to plot the point. So here I have drawn the Cartesian coordinate system. The x-axis, the y-axis, I have put the names on my right is the positive numbers of x-axis. Towards my left is the negative numbers of x-axis. Above the 0 is the positive number of y-axis and below 0 is the negative number of y-axis. Here is the first coordinate, the second coordinate, the third coordinate and the fourth coordinate. I have put the numbers 1 to 8. Here also 1 to 8, here minus 1 to minus 8 and here minus 1 to minus 8. So now I need to plot all the points. The first point is a minus 3 comma 2. The minus 3 is the x coordinate point and 2 is the y coordinate. Here we will next check the sign. Here x is negative and y is positive. So negative positive, that is in the second quadrant. So my point lies in the second quadrant. Okay. Now I need to plot the point. So how I will plot the point? I am sure that my point will lie in the second coordinate. So now minus 3, we will need to start from origin. So minus 3 on x-axis is to my left. So I will move towards minus 3 units to my left and 2 is positive. So I have to move up, that is on y-axis. So My point is here A minus 3 comma 2. The next point B minus 2 comma minus 4. Here x is negative, y is negative. So negative negative comes in the third quadrant. So my point lie is in the third quadrant. So now I need to plot the point. So my x is minus 2 and y is minus 4. So now I will start from origin. X is minus 2. So it lies on the left of y x-axis. Here minus 2 and y is also negative, so I have to move down towards minus 4 units. So my point lies over here B minus 2 comma minus 4. C point 0 comma minus 2. So I am at the origin. X-axis is 0, so the point lies on the origin, but y is minus 2, so I have to move down towards minus 2 units. So my point lies over here C 0 comma minus 2. Fourth one D 0 comma 5. Now again my x coordinate is 0, so the point lies over here on this origin, and y is 5, so I have to move up towards 5 units. Here the point is D 0 comma 5. The fifth point E 6 comma 0. Now I am at the origin, but the x is 6, so 6 is positive, so I have to move towards my right positive 6 units, and y is 0, so the point lies over here E 6 comma 0. 6 point F 4 comma minus 5. Now the x coordinate is positive, y is negative. Positive negative means fourth quadrant. So F is 4 comma minus 5. So 4 towards my right and minus 5 it's down. So the point lies over here 4 comma minus 5. I hope you all have understood how to plot the points. Types of line graph. The first one, linear graph. A graph is called linear graph when all the points plotted in the graph are on the same line. Few examples of linear graph are following. Graph parallel to y-axis. Now we will plot the graph parallel to y-axis. Here is my origin. The horizontal is my x-axis. The vertical is my y-axis. So I have plotted the points up to 10. So my first point A 6 comma 0. Again x is 6 and y is 0. So 6 comma 0 lies over here on the x-axis. B is 6 comma 3. So A 6 I have to move towards my right 6 and up towards 3 units. So 6 comma 3 is over here. C 6 comma 6. So again 6 and over here up 6. So 6 comma 6 is over here. And D 6 comma 8. So x is 6 and y is 8. So all numbers are positive. So it lies on in the first quadrant only. So now I have to draw a straight line. So this line is parallel to my which axis? X-axis. So this graph is called parallel line parallel to y-axis. Now the graph parallel to x-axis. The first point is P 0, 4. So P 0, x is 0 but y is 4. So it lies above the origin. So the point is over here 0, 4. Q point 2, 4. So x is 2 and y is 4. So the point over here Q2, 4. R 4, 4. So the point is over here 4, 4 and S 7, 4. X is 7, y is 4. So this line is parallel to which axis? X-axis. So this graph is called graph parallel to x-axis. Solve the following. Now we have to write down the letters representing following points. Now the first point 2, 1. Now x is 2 and y is 1. So here is the point and the name of the letter is A. 7, 0. X is 7, y is 0. So the letter is B. 4, 6. X is 4, y is 6. So the point is over here C. And 0, 4. 0 is x and y is 4. So the point is D. Write down the coordinate representing following points. Now B coordinate is x is 7, y is 0. So 7, 0. C coordinate, C is here, x is 4 and then y, no, so 6, 4 comma 6, and d is 0 and y is 4, so 0 comma 4. So students, I hope you all have understood how to plot the points, what is the Cartesian plane, and what are the graph parallel to x and y axis. So there is a small assignment based on it. Please try to solve it. Thank you.